a new week means new opportunities. Let us see what week 21 has in store for us. And to start us off, we have the EURUSD. And as you can see here in the long-term time frame, we have the 3 months, the 6 months. We can see we're in a breakout. Okay, this seems like a breakout, but as you can see, this can also be a continuation of the wave C. You can see this seems like some sort of a wave C, which has broken out, and this can be some sort of a wave 1. And this is what we're analyzing because that's where the market is at the moment. So as you can see in the 6 months, this seems to be a wave C, which has broken out, and this can be the start of a wave, some sort of an impulse. So this is the wave 1 on some sort of a wave 1, a wave 3, or even a wave 5. And that is where we are. And as you can see, inside that wave 1, we're in some sort of a correction, which can be which seems to be like a wave 2. And as you can see, this is a impulse, this is the correction. So we're in some sort of a wave 2. This can also be a wave 4. So yeah, we have the rules of how many bars we need to consider so that we know exactly where we are. But yeah, for the moment, you can see that we are in some sort of a wave 2. So here we can anticipate some sort of a breakout of a wave 3 of the wave 1 in the weekly. So that is something that you can look towards. That is something that yeah, that is our analysis for the EURUSD, as you can see. But as I told you, you should be wary of that this can still be a wave C. Yeah, so this is how it looks in the daily. So instead of some sort of a wave 2. Yeah, so that's analysis for the EURUSD. So let us look at the yen pairs. And to start us off, we have the dollar yen. As you can see, in the 3 months, you can see that we're in a clean impulse. We're in some sort of a wave 3. You can see we're in some sort of can be a wave 4, can be a wave 5 of wave 3, can also be a wave 3 of a wave 3, you know. Yeah, but in the long term time frame, you can see that we're in wave 3. When we're in the monthly, you can see that the 3 wave is also visible. We can go further and yeah, put on the waves. Yeah, so that is where we are. In the weekly, you can see that we're in some sort of a wave 4, 5. Can also be a wave 3, as I told you that we're not sure if the wave is complete. The wave 3 are normally the longest. So we are not sure if we're in the wave, still in a wave 3, or we're in this can be the start of a wave 5. We're in some sort of a wave 5. And this is happening in almost all the pairs to do with the yen, that the yen is weakening. But yeah, remember, this is educational, this is not financial advice. So that is where our analysis for the week is showing us. We have the measure the distance. As I told you, we have rules to do with Elliott Wave, whereby we have a set number of bars that you need, that a full Elliott Wave sequence should be between a number of waves, so that if it's beyond that, then the analysis is that analysis needs to be done again. So we have the British pound against the yen. So it's the same as the dollar yen, whereby we're in some sort of impulse. So for this one, as you can see, we're in some sort of this can be a wave 1, can be a wave 3, can also be a wave 5. Whatever, doesn't matter. All we know is that we're in some sort of an impulse, a clean impulse. And as you can see, also this one seems that we can also be in some sort of a wave, either wave 3 or a wave 5. Yeah, and that is in the 3 months. This is the pound yen. For the moment, the yen pairs are weakening. We can also see the euro yen. The euro yen is also the same. That the yen is breaking out. The breakout happened. I said this can be a wave 5, can be a wave 3, and can also be a wave 5 or wave 1. Yeah. So this is the analysis inside that impulse wave. So this can be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. You can choose to trade any pair you want. Most of the time, there's something called correlation. I'll talk about it in the educational videos. Mondays will be mostly market analysis. Then Thursdays, Wednesdays or Thursdays will be educational, where I'll be talking about things about correlation, how they move together and such. So let us look at the gold. So in the gold, we have a clean wave sequence whereby you can see that we picked, that is a clean wave 3. We have the correction, that is a wave 4. Inside the wave 4, we expect an ABC. So as you can see, we're in a wave 3. Yeah, we're in an impulse. So we're inside the wave 3, and you can see we're in a wave 4 over wave 3. This can also be a wave 4 over wave 3 over wave 3. Yeah, so as I also say, wave 4 is where you don't want to be, because wave 4 is where most people lose the money. This is where the most correction happens. Yeah, you can, as you can see, that can be a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C. You can use Fibonacci to estimate the end of wave 4 so that you can start anticipating for the wave 5. You can use the Fibonacci tools. You can see from the start of the wave, the inner wave 3 to the peak of the wave 3. Yeah, and it shows us a clean Fibonacci. As you can see that yeah, it reached the 38.2, it reached the 50%, the 50 degrees, and it can go to the 62.1 degrees. Yeah, that's our gold, a clean analysis. We can also look at the indices. We have the SP500. I can use the capital. Yeah, so as you can see that that's the weekly. So let us use 6 months. As you can see in the long time frame, we have an impulse. It has peaked. Price is in the highest price possible. It's the highest, I mean, it's in the highest price it's ever been. So as you can see, we're definitely in some sort of an impulse. We are not sure, it can be a wave 1, can be a wave 3. So inside that impulse, as you can see, we have that. So that is our current trade. You know, you don't need to know where currently we have in the full spectrum, but as long as you know maybe in the month or the weekly exactly where you are, you can protect yourself from potential losses. So as you can see that we have the impulse. So we're inside that impulse. This can be a wave 1, can be no, this cannot be a wave 1. This is can be a wave 3, can be a wave 5. So let's assume it's a wave 3. So inside this wave 3, we have the sequence. We have wave 1, wave 2. This can be some sort of a wave 1 over wave 3. This can be a wave 3 over wave 3. And currently we can be in a wave 5 over wave 3, which means we are still in a wave 3. That can be wave 1, wave 2. Yeah, that is the wave 3. Then the wave 4, then the wave 5. So as you can see, we're in some sort of a wave 5 of a wave 3. Remember that if price breaks structure and goes way above, then we need to recount the waves, and maybe we're still in a wave 3 of a wave 3. So yeah, as you can see, that is the analysis for the wave 3. You can see that's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, as I told you. Wave 4 never touches price levels of wave 1. So that can be it. Remember that price, if it's break structure, then wave 3 can be there. We're still not yet maybe in the wave 4. Yeah, so that's our analysis for S&P. That is the weekly. We can look at the NASDAQ. You can look at the NASDAQ, which pretty much has the same structure, which is the assumed wave 3. And inside that wave 3, you can see that we still have that wave 3, which can be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, which means we can be in a wave 3 of a wave 3, or we can also be in a wave 5 of a wave 3. Yeah, so we're in a very strong impulse. Then our last pair for the week, we have the Bitcoin, we have the crypto. And this is one of the cleanest Elliott Wave structures that we have in the market. We have the clean Bitcoin, which, as you can see, we're in some sort of a wave, we're in an impulse, in some sort of a wave 3. And as you can see, we seem to be like a wave 3 of a wave 3. Can be a wave 5 of a wave 3. So that's in the 6 month. So we can look at it in the monthly. In the monthly, that's where you see a clean. You can see there was an initial wave 1. There's this is a wave, look, that's a wave 2. So as you can see, as long as price levels never touch these other price levels, but this starts, which means that cannot be a wave 4 of a larger wave 3. Doesn't matter. What we need to know is where we are at the moment. As you can see, this is some sort of a wave, a breakout. This can be a wave 1. But remember, we need to protect ourselves, because that can be, you can see that's a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But remember, this can also be a wave B. The wave C maybe is not complete. So this can be a wave A, B, and C. So that is something that we need to be very careful about. Yeah. So let us analyze inside this assumed wave 1. So as you can see, this is how price looks at the moment. So we seem to be in the wave 1. At the moment, it seems that we're in a wave 2 inside the wave 1. It can be a wave 4 of the wave 1, as you can see. So we're anticipating that, yeah, that is how it looks. So that's our analysis for the Bitcoin. As you can see, we're anticipating a pullback for wave 2. So we have around it's normally around 62.1, 62.2 degrees from the peak of wave 1. That's the end of wave 2, and after that we can anticipate the impulse, which we anticipate to be the wave 3. As you can see, we have the assumed wave 1. This is wave 2. Let me draw it. So as you can see, we have the assumed wave 1, wave 2. So we anticipate a breakout of a wave 3 of wave 1. Yeah, so that's our analysis for the Bitcoin for the week. Yeah, we'll keep updating. We also look at the maths. We look at the charts daily. We update in the Telegram channel updates of all these pairs. As you can see, that's our Bitcoin. And yeah, everything is in the link is in the description below. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for the on Wednesday for the educational part, for the not the market analysis but the educational part. So yeah, everything is in the link if you want.